So we are looking for a reversal point again, which could be either this inducement high or this. And this doesn't have, okay. So there's one more point, which is here. Why this? Because I wanted to say that this doesn't have, I wanted to say that this doesn't have like IPA imbalance near it, but there is this guy right in front, right above it. I forgot to cover this on the IPA section, but if there's a candle up like this and then it goes down, either way, it's imbalance on lower time frame, on seconds in this case. So yeah, because it's just a huge buy up, and there might be some orders on the top of it. I can find you an example. I think we had one. Yeah, for example, this guy would look totally the same on 5 minutes or on 3 minutes, just for good measure. Let's test it out. Right. Oh, what was it? Where was it? Where was it? Yeah. See, and it was the inefficiency was covered pretty much, but it's the same thing. Okay, so let's see. We have a huge run up, so you can use CLS timing here and hope it will see during it, and if it does, then you just execute a trade on. Yeah, you just execute it. Oh no, this wasn't it. This was it, right? Oh no, the above. Okay, so this could be valid if we see some bearish momentum. Then this could be valid as well. And this would be the last one with inefficient price action. PA, this doesn't have any inefficiency. Yeah, oh, okay. So, okay, this is too risky. But let's see. And this is the last one that would be possible. So, I mean, you can take a risky trade, right? You can put it right here, stop loss right above the high, and then, I mean, again, you would put a sell limit, for example, on 50% of this inefficiency, and try it. If it sweeps during the 18-minute time zone, time window. But yeah, okay, and wait, let's play it out. Okay. It's slower than I'd like to see. Yeah, okay. So as for target, you can use any kind of liquidity you want. So let me see. Right, so I mean, this range is broken. This could be a lit point as well. And this whole inefficient price action, right? In 5 minutes, for example. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cheating. But oh, okay. This whole thing is inefficiency on 5 minutes. So you can target anything here, or even pay, even target the low and pray for a continuation down, right? Because wait, what time is it? Okay, so I'll play it back to 59 and go to 1H and look for a target on 1H. You can even target this, but we'll check the pricing before that. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's possible, of course. But you want to take partials, for example, I think it's 70% here. There's no clear TP here. So we'll see what happens. And as this is happening, this could be considered an inducement high as well, as you're just inducing people to buy up all those breakout traders here. But if it continues down, then it's just order flow and we are being delusional. Okay, so let's hold this up here. We'll sit here. All right. Okay, nothing. This guy in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Okay, then you have more data to work with. Right. So you have a build-up, right? And what is price targeting? It could be this, but I mean this liquidity is clearly smaller than this. So I think it could be something even lower than this, which would be this guy. So this, yeah, and this is an OB with imbalance as well. So that's a valid POI. Wait, I'll mute. Okay. Yep, sorry. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see if there's a valid entry here. Okay, nothing. And again, you see, price just, this is my first day trading gold, so backtesting and studying gold. So of course, I'm not able to get into those entries yet. But if you want, we can backtest gold like every weekend and master it. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You just have one spike up for liquidity, and then you have order flow in the middle of nowhere. Smooth. Yeah, thanks. So and again, there's a probability for this to just be a lead point. This above is imbalance, but this week as well. Yeah, this week is imbalance as well. So yeah, so this would be our confirmation entry. This would be a valid entry for me. Here. Okay, and TPE again. You can go for the stars, you can play heroes, you know, but you want to take most of your partials out as ASAP if you want to play swings. For example, I'm only holding 5% of the EU cells I'm having from Monday. Nothing crazy, but yeah, well, let's see. Okay, and if you are having some reaction. So this is the moment I would ping pong. I would take a buy here as well, but we can wait for okay. we could wait for confirmation. All right. Okay, so seems like we're going lower, but New York Open is soon. And yeah, and you see, inducing both sellers and buyers. This is for buyers, right? If it reverses from here, then it would be an inducement high. Okay, still. Yeah. And okay, so if this doesn't hold and it sweeps this would be your inducement high. It shows you clearly that it is bullish, right? But it's just inducing early buyers to get in right before the fake New York opening, 8 a.m., where the manipulation usually happens, and it just gets everyone out. And I hope it happens this time. So yeah, and so this would be our liquidity point now. The timing sits well, you know. You can say magic timing. You can say magic timing on this, and we'll wait for some signs of reversal. But I mean, you're trading off nothing from the left. There's nothing you can look at for reference, but I'll try. I try to get back up there. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this 5-minute chart, by the way, there's nothing you can do. Oh, and we're in this POI. Oh, okay, so where can we react off? Hmm. Nah, man, this is too. I mean, we'll try 3 minutes and get back all the way. Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, get way all the way up there. Oh, this is July. Wait, I'm so confused right now. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. So, August. Yeah, okay. So we have New York Open, right? You wanna see order flow up. I really hate taking trades like this, you know. The range would be established for me when this high gets broken, as I know it's next target of it, or even this. That's why it was engineering liquidity all the time, the whole time, right? This build up right here, and even this high might be an inducement, as I said before. So we'll try to play it out. Let's see what's happening. 90-minute cycle. There's no use for it now. Okay. 9, 4. Okay. So this is your real New York Open, which could be a trap timing again. People say for some reason that New York is better than London, that it manipulates less, but I mean, New York has literally 2 manipulations right at the open. So so this would be your first manipulation, right? From the New York Open, and this could be your second. Of course, it can continue down, and it was the right intention the whole time to go down. Well, okay, see. So, and the whole time you can take this from a smart money standpoint as well, like from structural standpoint. Okay, this was the high that broke. Yeah. Then this. Okay, so you had first inducement high right here, and price continues down. This is your structural point. You wanna see this swept. Yeah, you wanna see this swept before continuing up, showing some kind of momentum. Yeah, and it sweeps. Okay, this can be a trap for smart money traders again. But let's see. Okay, so this seems like a good trade for me. Mitigation of this obviously wouldn't hurt anyone. You still have imbalance below here. Still has a reason to come all the way back up there. You can play risky like this, or you can cover the whole sell to buy range. And even this could be imbalance. And yeah, so let's see what happens. Okay, it takes us in. Oh no, this is not my stop loss. This would be a stop loss. And yeah, perfect. This could be our first partial inducement high. And this is exactly when strong high and weak high, weak lows concept becomes subjective, right? Because sometimes it serves perfectly as a POI, but sometimes it's just an inducement high that serves as liquidity. And And that happens more often if you're asking me. So this could be your first partial, a 2R. This could be your second partial. As you know, this lowest liquidity, you have this huge imbalance above. And your full TP should be here, honestly. 1 to 7R, you know, if you refine the SL 1 to 10 easily. So yeah, and we'll try to get some re-entries as well. Alrighty. Okay. So okay. So this is the last 90-minute cycle. Some people might use it the whole day, you know, but for me it works only from what I've tested so far. So you can say like 10 hours of testing. It works the best only during the five cycles, and then it's weird. It's really weird. So I mean, you still have the last cycle in, and the only liquidity that it could sweep is either this for as this is the last buy to sell, breaks buy to sell, taps into liquidity, taps into the zone. This would be our lit point. The second would be this whole order flow, trying to fill this imbalance. And the third would be, we'll clear all of this. The third would be, let me see. So it could either be this or so, or this. And no, this seems better. And I'm only doing this by looking at how deep the mitigations are. Not looking for anything fancy, right? No lit point or anything like that. So yeah, so those are points that I would look for area entry in the future. Oh, it was the TP again. This build up, right? Yeah. So all of these partial out may hold or not. This guy is gonna hit break even, I promise you. Not sure about this guy though, because it seems pretty high. Pricing is good. So let's play it out. Timing, sieves, inducement low, and even after inducing people, it serves as a smart money trap. And people, I mean, on seconds, maybe you would have choke or something. You have this little fake reaction, playing on emotions. But yeah, okay, we didn't see the build up yet. Let's check the higher time frame to see what's happening. Okay, so oh my god, it's too messy. I'll try to hide all. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so you can either wait for those liquidity points. You can start taking trades from this last buy to sell on 15-minute, right, as your whole POI, or you can even put 50% on the imbalance, and that lines up with this with the buy to sell though, and try to sell off there on the 50%, which lines up with this, right? This would be my on higher time frame, of course. This was my last sell to buy. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so price reacting of nothing here, maybe still inducing people. No, but there's no reason to react off here or to reverse off here. Oh, so let's play it. Yeah, and okay. Yeah, okay, and we hit full TP. So let's put this back up. this. Yeah. Oh, and as I said before, there's a buildup right here. There's this high, there's this imbalance. So the next place it could look at is this. Look for is this or this. Oh, I don't think it would be the same day if it went this high. The market has its limit as well. Okay, so we are reacting of this high, making equal highs. Okay. And then the 50%, the last sell to buy also lines up with this big imbalance. But then again, all of this could be reaction points. This build up, and then this is pretty efficient price action, you know. All the inefficiency are those long wicks that were not filled perfectly. We'll get to that if it breaks all of this. Yeah, you see, reacting of the buildup, inducing people into the wrong direction again, and then sweeping them. It's as simple as that. So, you just saw this. We're tapping into this imbalance. You did not have any reaction here. Okay. And yeah, and we fill it pretty much to 80%. There's still a little left, of course, but it doesn't have to be 100% filled. Okay, so let's see. We are showing some bullishness, of course. And we might have missed our trade as well. So yeah. So okay, this is a simple trade, man. This is the last buy to sell before sweeping it, transferring into this. And if this fails, then it will go lower. Okay, so all right. Everything seems reasonable. What would be the TP here? Either this, which is a high probable place for a reversal if this guy really holds, but we just made equal highs as well, you know, price, you know, and if you think of it from a rational way, if you have common sense, then what you would ask, what exactly was this high, right? Did it fill something? Did it sweep something? It swept nothing. Okay, on some broker it might be like 1 pip sweep, but it swept nothing. It filled no inefficiency. It tapped into, well, the only thing it tapped into was this order flow, right? But I mean, it made equal highs, so it's pretty weird. So that's why I'm considering this a liquidity as well, not a high probable place for a reversal. But if it is, then price will try to fill this inefficient price action as well as this one, and just fly. So this is like 80% partial, you know, and you can even refine it to the wick here. Okay, and we never got tapped in, and this is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I was saying about gold. You won't get confirmation entries, and we missed like 2 or 3 trades already because of that. So yeah, so let's play this out. Okay, we are tapping, and this is the same scenario as this one. You see, it's the same thing happening again and again. You had a build up here, right? And we have a build up here. Price reached the build up, inducing people to sell, making fake chokes, putting fake break of structure, whatever. And then it will just get everyone, and everyone's gonna be smoked. So yeah, we can try to buy or something here as well. You wanna keep it under 50%. Sometimes you might as well miss a trade from that because of that, but it will keep your win rate high. Yeah. So we're just filling this inefficiency, reacting most probably to this Oh, breaker block, no. Yeah, okay, so we are tapping to this breaker block. Yeah, we break structure, broke structure. You can enter of this. As now we are like sure that this guy is not gonna hold just because there's no reason for it to react of this, right? And go high. I mean, go here. But we already have, oh no, we don't have any trade running. So yeah, so let's do this. Or you can even refine it to this wick, to the last sell to buy. And if you don't play risky, you can put your stop loss even here. Target the highs, the whole build up, right? Or even selling higher, like this. Okay, so let's play this out. Yeah, perfectly into our wick. Okay. Oh damn. Okay, it didn't tap us in, but let's say it did. Okay. Let's say it did tap us in. Just for the content. And price flies. Yeah, sweeping all the liquidity. And now this is a valid place for reversal again. Your top, just a big build up, same scenario as this. You swap and continue down. And this liquidity is too small for me. That's the reason I don't really like this one. But it can come back just because of inefficiency, of course. But for the continuation, the only high probability area would be these. But then, from a rational way of thinking, why would they stack up orders? Why would they sell orders if they're gonna sweep it, right? Because I think, because we're bearish on 1 hour, obviously. So I think they want to target something even below this liquidity point, but it can be set as well. So let's see. So you have to get all of these possibilities. You have to go all through all of them. And yeah, okay, and it's reacting of this build-up, of this inefficient price action, of this build-up. And again, no confirmation entry. You still have imbalance still left out there. So yeah, let's put it back, please. Let's check 15 minutes. Yeah, okay. So let's see. All right. Yeah, price makes a lit point. Right after breaking this, makes a lit point. You can take a trade of this inefficiency. This is a match model I didn't cover because it's too advanced, it's too dangerous to trade. But I mean, it's possible to take trades of inefficiencies, of course. But you can take it from the lit point, 1.8 pip stop loss, or even refine it to the last inefficiency that was left off. But as I said, even wicks are inefficiencies. So that's why we are going safe here, tapping into inefficient price action, sweeping
But
the lid.
aren't you over trading by opening all those positions?
Shut the fuck. Nah, I love you, man. I love you, mate. No, this is backtesting. Of course, I'm telling everyone in mentorship, 1 trade a day keeps blown account away, right? But
yeah.
there's all possibilities, all possible trades.
Oh,
You need to understand every single move of the market to be able to comfortably trade, you know, to
yeah, you're right.
get rid of the FOMO. Because if you have an edge that only allows you to get 1 trade a day, for example, or even like 2 trades a week, then you're gonna start looking for things that aren't there, you know. So it is just an explanation for, I mean, every single move. And these are super hyperbole trades as well. All of these.
Can you explain the first long? I
Huh?
wasn't there before. Can you explain the long?
This?
Yeah, the first long. Yeah.
Oh, you weren't here. No,
Yeah,
you can watch the recording, man. You
Oh,
have
yeah.
8 minutes left. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Chill, bro.
Chill ass. Sorry. So chill. What the hell? Okay. So you just mitigate this inefficient price action, and stop loss on the inefficiency would be great. And now what you want to do? Okay. What was it before? Wait, I mentioned something before and I forgot it. Well, oh yeah. Or maybe I didn't mention that, but okay, let's delete all of this. Yeah, see. This is our lead point, basically. Okay, because on higher time frame, this is a buy to sell, sell to buy, taps into our last buy to sell, not even 50%, leaving a lot of imbalance below it. And on what the hell? And on 5 minute, it would be even more, right? So yeah, so this is why you could take this as your TP as well. Okay, but that's only 1, 2, 3. But you see the win rate is pretty clean. We only had 1 or 2 losses before this. So yeah, and we didn't get top in this trade. This hit break even. So, but still the win rate is there. And I'm trying to look for a confirmation entry. But I mean, you can pretty much take this whole thing as a POI and take a sell from that as well. I'll test something out here. Yeah, okay. I saw this theory somewhere that when you have a range, right? Now you have a trending range, right? And the price doesn't mitigate under 50%. It's a weak low. So this same exact thing. This is also a lead point for you, which you could be taking a trade from. Okay. So you could have taken a trade on this. It taps perfectly into your lid. And still would be here. Did it? Yeah, I think it did though. Or yeah, oh, whatever. And leaving no inefficient price action. So why would it even come here, right? The only reason to go higher is this. Oh, I didn't see this. Is this inefficiency as well? Oh, okay. Okay, that's our, did it see finally? Oh no, it didn't. Okay, this is weird. Okay, I'll just play this out quickly and tomorrow we can continue the next day. Something because I'm just too tired. Yeah, and it finally sweeps this. But this is really weird though. But the cells there would be still possible. Oh no, stop loss not here. My bad. And this would be a break even. You can target the lows, you know, or even this could be inefficient price action. This and some parts of this candle. So you can target the liquidity, which would be the nearest target possible. And yeah, this partials of this would be this as well. So yeah. Yeah. Let's play this out. Yeah. Oh. Okay, we're having some sort of reaction of this inefficient price action. Oh, okay. Okay, that's your TP, a partial, and then target lows, the final lows, all right? And we can play it out quickly. Yeah, and it would hit break even. So nothing came from that. So the next day, if the next day is gonna be bullish or bearish, we are most gonna we are most probably gonna react off this, either this or this. So you see, it's not really hard to look for reversal points in the market. It's the easiest thing to do for me, at least. Just looking for inefficient price action, just looking for build-ups, and you're good to go. And yeah, so that's all of it. The daily bias is not really hard to understand as well. It will just click in your head in a few weeks after watching or after testing. And yeah, so that's all to it today. We can play it out, how the whole day played out. I'm trying to make a systematic trading plan for you as well. Well, because my whole trading plan is too intuitive based. So yeah. So in future, in few days, I'll send you Asian studies, how to read Asian and how to read the whole daily bias. And that's all there's to it today. So I hope you learned something new, or if not, then that you had a great time here. Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, bye bye. Oh. Wait, what?